Have you ever created a project in Asana that you no longer need and want to completely remove it? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to delete an Asana project in 2025 so you can clean up your workspace and stay organized without clutter. Once you're logged into your Asana account, head to your home dashboard where all of your projects are listed. Find the project you want to delete. It's really important to double check here, because once a project is deleted, it's gone permanently and cannot be restored. Click to open the project. In the top right corner of the project window, you'll see the Project Actions menu. This usually looks like 3 dots or an Options button. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Delete Project. Asana will then ask you to confirm your choice. This is your final checkpoint. If you're sure you no longer need the project, click Delete to confirm. And that's it. The project will instantly be removed from your workspace. One extra tip: if you're not 100% sure about deleting, Asana also gives you the option to archive a project instead. Archiving hides the project from your active view, but keeps the data safe in case you want to bring it back later. So if you're on the fence, archiving is a safer option. And there you go. You now know exactly how to delete an Asana project in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.